3 of them. Fine. I just bought that shirt too.
This entire workflow was created Seedance 2.0 inside one single platform, Pippet AI. From generating storyboard images, to turning them into cinematic videos, to editing the final film, everything was done in one place without switching between multiple tools. This workflow makes content creation much faster, easier, and more beginner-friendly, while also helping creators maintain more consistent and reliable video quality across every scene. In this video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to use this complete workflow to create professional AI short films like this, even if you're a complete beginner. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. If you are trying to grow your content or business, you must understand the easiest way to use AI tools and keep yourself updated with the latest technology. This will help you stay competitive in the market. That's exactly why I'm using Pippet AI. Is an all-in-one AI platform where you can generate images, videos, and much more, all in one place. It gives you access to one of the best AI video generators available, Seedance 2.0, allowing you to create high-quality cinematic videos with ease. The best part is that you don't have to deal with the restrictions found on many other AI video platforms. As I showed at the beginning of this video, I was able to create an entire AI short film using my own face without any issues or limitations. So first of all, click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll be brought to this interface. All you need to do is select the image or video model, enter your prompt, and it will instantly generate high-quality images and videos for you. You can even edit your creations using simple text instructions. Whether you want to create short videos, long-form content, product marketing videos, or social media content, everything is available in one place. Pippet AI also provides trending TikTok video presets, allowing you to create similar viral-style videos in just a few clicks. Now, let's generate our storyboard. For the prompts, I took some help from Claude AI. First, I'm going to create the character sheet for my main character. To do that, I'll select the image model. You get access to several top image generation models here, but for this project, I'm choosing GPT Image 2. Next, I'll simply paste my prompt, select the aspect ratio, and upload a reference image. Since I want this character to look exactly like me, I'm uploading a photo of my own face. After that, I click Generate. This opens the generation workspace, which works like an AI agent. It starts processing everything automatically, and here is the final result. As you can see, the character looks very similar to my real face. It has accurately captured my facial features while also creating a transformation version of the character within a single image. The level of detail, facial consistency, and overall quality are extremely impressive. Now let's generate our second character. Just like before, I'll copy the prompt, paste it into Pippet AI, select GPT Image 2, choose the aspect ratio, and click Generate. And here is the result. The character matches exactly what we described in the prompt. Every important detail has been followed correctly, and the image quality is outstanding. The lighting, character design, facial expressions, and overall realism look incredibly professional. What's even better is that we can edit our images using simple conversation prompts. For example, I want both characters to appear in separate images. So I'll click on the image, select Mention in Chat, and type a simple instruction. Within seconds, Pippet AI generates separate images for both characters using nothing more than a text command. No editing experience is required. Now let's generate our complete storyboard. Simply paste your prompt, then select the image model, GPT-2, choose the aspect ratio, and click Generate. In just a few moments, it creates a perfect 6-scene storyboard based on everything we described in the prompt. Take a look at the result. Storyboards are one of the best ways to visualize and understand how your final video will look before moving into production. It helps you plan scenes more effectively, maintain visual consistency, and make creative decisions faster. Now let's generate our first scene image. I'll copy the prompt for scene 1 and open Pippet AI. First, I'll attach the character image that will be used in this scene. I also attach the storyboard as a reference to achieve more consistent results, and the generated storyboard images will be used across all scenes to maintain visual consistency throughout the entire video. Then I'll paste the scene prompt, select the image model and aspect ratio, and click Generate. And here is the result. The output looks absolutely cinematic. The character remains perfectly consistent with the original character sheet, which is one of the biggest challenges in AI filmmaking. The composition, lighting, environment, and overall atmosphere match the scene description perfectly. Even the small details are rendered accurately, making the image look like a frame taken directly from a professional movie. This level of consistency makes it much easier to create high-quality AI short films and story-driven content. Now let's convert this scene image into a video. First, I'll copy the video prompt for scene 1. Then I'll open Pippet AI, upload the scene image into the chat. Next, I'll select the video model, Seedance 2.0. After that, I'll choose the aspect ratio, resolution, and video duration. One great feature is that you can also select the language for your video. It supports all major languages, allowing you to create videos in your local language as well. And paste my video prompt. I recommend using the character sheet image as a reference in all scenes to maintain character consistency throughout your video. Once that's done, click Generate. And here is the result.
That's not a water pipe. Here we go.
As you can see, the character remains consistent across all scenes, which is extremely important for storytelling and professional-looking AI videos. This technique helps maintain the same facial features, style, and identity of the character from start to finish, making your final output feel much more cohesive and cinematic. Now let's generate the second scene. This time, I'm adding the first scene video as a reference, along with all character images, to get the best possible output and maintain strong character consistency. Next, I paste my prompt and select Seedance 2.0. Then I choose the scene resolution, aspect ratio, and other required settings. After everything is set, I click Generate, and it starts processing our second scene. And here is the result.
Three of them. Fine. I just bought that shirt too.
The result is amazing. No one would believe it's generated using AI. Just imagine the kind of content you can create using Seedance 2.0 inside Pippet AI. By following the same steps, I generated all the remaining scenes. You simply need to write the prompt, and then add all the videos to a single timeline. It automatically merges everything scene by scene. You can also edit everything inside the Pippet AI built-in editor. Just click on Edit More, and it will take you here. This is the Pippet built-in video editor, where all your generated images and videos appear. You can drag and drop any video into the timeline, or even upload files directly from your device. Here, you can add captions, AI avatars, text, background music, and much more. It works very similarly to CapCut, giving you a familiar and easy editing experience. Once you are done with the editing, simply click Export, and here is the final result.
That's not a water pipe. Here we go. Three of them. Fine. I just bought that shirt too.
Exit is right there. Keep moving. Don't stop. Go!
Okay, everyone's out. Pro secret. Shield mode. Maximum radius.
Shield deployment ready. Awaiting activation.
Three. Same as last time. Pro secret shield up the moment I walk through.
That's what the shield is for.
The result is outstanding. A complete AI-generated cinematic short film created using a smooth, all-in-one workflow inside Pippet AI. You won't face any restrictions, you just need an idea to start building your own AI cinematic world. Pippet also offers a free plan where you can generate images and videos with some limitations. However, if you want to unlock the full potential of Seedance 2.0 without any restrictions or limitations, I recommend choosing the paid plan. I'll provide the link in the description. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.